Delonghi is #1 when it comes to espresso coffee makers, and this wonderful coffee maker behind me is one of the reasons why it is precisely that. Jamie here, and I'm here to talk about the semi-automatic bean-to-cup coffee maker called the Delonghi La Specialista Prestigio. This is amazing for coffee enthusiasts out there who still want to calibrate their coffee for that perfect cup of espresso, Americano, or long black, but still enjoy the perks of having a semi-automatic coffee maker. Let me tell you what's amazing about this machine. You have here the sensor grinding technology with 2 sensors and 8 grind settings. So you have coarse to fine, 8-to-1, and yes, you can customize it to your liking. You also have here the dose level. You can choose that on your own. Again, you just turn this knob. Now this is for a double espresso. Here you have the active temperature control. For the active temperature control, with you pressing this button, you can choose your setting. 3 settings to choose from: 92 degrees for dark roast, 94 degrees for medium roast, and 96 degrees for light roast. Now, this OK button over here is when your settings are already set. You press that, and this machine will make your perfect cup of coffee. Again, Americano or espresso. Now, I'm already talking about the preset recipe, so let's jump to this knob over here. This knob has, yes, the preset recipes, which are espresso, Americano, and coffee. And you just turn this knob for you to be able to choose your preferred drink. Now, aside from that, you have the tea function over here, or if you need hot water, this is the button you need to press. We also have My over here. As the name implies, this is for you to customize your preset drinks or recipes. So you can do that as well with this machine. Now, what I love about the La Specialista Prestigio is, I mentioned earlier, this is for coffee enthusiasts who want to calibrate their coffee but still enjoy the perks of a semi-automatic coffee maker. Now this is one of the perks. You have the smart tamping station over here. When you turn this handle, you automatically tamp your ground coffee for the perfect tamping consistency, flat and even every single time. Also, if you're in the mood for a milk-based coffee beverage, you have your My Latte Art right over here. It's the steam wand that you see here, and you have the knob to turn that on this side for you to froth your milk for microfoam texture with the right temperature every single time. So again, this is an amazing machine for coffee enthusiasts out there. And another perk of you buying this machine is you get freebies as well. You get this wonderful porta filter right over here, and you get the double basket that's already attached to the porta filter and single basket as well. You also have the milk jug for your My Latte Art steam wand over here if you want to make a milk-based coffee beverage. So don't take my word for it. I love this machine, but I'm going to show you why you're going to love it as well. Let's make some drinks. So for today, we'll make an espresso, a cafe Americano, a cappuccino, and for those who love iced coffee drinks, we'll also make an iced coffee. Let's start with the espresso. Now, we have our portafilter here. You just click this in. Make sure your settings are already set according to your preference. You have the grind setting here, and you also have the coffee dose level. Once you click that in, it automatically grinds your coffee. Once that's done, remember, the La Specialista Prestigio has the smart tamping station, and all you need to do is turn this handle for you to have the perfect tamping consistency, flat and even every single time. Once you're ready and done with tamping your ground coffee, take it out and put it in right over here. It's the same process. You also click it in. Easy to do. Now you have the riser here too. Since we're making an espresso, we're gonna need this for our espresso glass. So it's right under the nozzle there. We press OK, and we have dynamic pre-infusion with the help of Delonghi La Specialista Prestigio. We're gonna move on to a cafe Americano, but of course before that, let's take this out, which is easy to do. Lift that. And clean our portafilter. And once your portafilter is clean, you're ready to make another drink. And as shown earlier, all you need to do is click this in. It automatically grinds your coffee, and use the smart tamping feature right over here. Once that's done, take it out and click it back in right over here. And let's use this glass for our cafe Americano. Turn the knob to Americano, and once you're ready, press OK. Once again, dynamic pre-infusion for that perfect cup. And there you have it. You have your Americano. And for the third drink, we're gonna feature the My Latte Art Steam Wand. Now for this drink, we're gonna make a cappuccino. Press that button and you'll have your perfect espresso for your cappuccino. Now that we have our espresso, let's work on our steamed milk with thick froth. We're gonna make use of the My Latte Art Steam Wand over here. You have the knob on this side. We have our milk jug. You can adjust it to, again, according to your liking. And you just turn the knob here to turn it on. Once you're done frothing your milk and you're satisfied with the density and the thickness, wipe your My Latte Art Steam Wand and mix with your espresso. 3 drinks down, let's move on to our fourth and last drink for today. Now this is dedicated to those who love their iced coffee drinks. We're gonna make an iced mocha. For an iced mocha, we need chocolate sauce or syrup, which we've already prepared over here. We also need cold milk, and we need ice. Last but not the least, we need the La Specialista Prestigio for that perfect espresso. So let's add the ice over here. One last. And I'm gonna pour the cold milk now over the chocolate sauce or syrup. 70% of milk. Take a look at that. And we'll pour our espresso over this drink. With the help of our Delonghi La Specialista Prestigio, we were able to make these 4 amazing drinks. Our espresso, cafe Americano, cappuccino, and even an iced mocha. This machine is so flexible, and once again, it is perfect for coffee enthusiasts out there who still want to calibrate their coffee and who also want to enjoy the perks of this semi-automatic coffee maker. Now, if you want to know more about the La Specialista Prestigio, check out the link below. Remember, a Delonghi product will always turn the everyday into something special. Delonghi, better every day. Thank you so much for watching this. Until next time.